This is David Prince, Deja Vu, your audio production instructor here at ESOM School of Music. If you want to make good modern sound, one thing you must not forget, vocal chops. And if anybody wants to make urban music, you need not to fail to know how to make vocal chops. And what are vocal chops? These are the sounds that normally converse, just like you've heard them. They normally converse with the artist. While the singer is singing and they don't need backup, they are able to chat with the artist. For example, if my song goes...
Making memories. On this melody is the deal. Feel your body now, feel your body now. Did I feel your bones? Is my dream. All these stars.
Exactly that. While the artist is singing, they are conversing. It's a new modern sound which you do not have to neglect. So if you want to know how we make vocal chops, enroll at ESOM School of Music, February intake, and I will teach you how we make these things.